called Flavia Opendi. Have interest in so many areas. In decoration, I love cooking, I love talking to people. Counseling is one of my areas of passion. And then my dream in future is to become events manager, where I can coordinate different things to do with events, organizing and management. One of it is owning a decoration company, and then also being one of the best cake selling companies in West Nile, if possible, so that will grow across Uganda. And then I want, when I'm consulted for a particular service, my client should be able to find other services altogether. So when someone is planning for a function, be it a birthday, be it a wedding, a traditional function, I can do the cakes, I can do the decoration, I have the public address system, I can also cook for the day. So that is my dream. Currently started on one, that is cooking. I now run a restaurant, and I hope by the beginning of next year I'm able to start on the cake baking. And then decoration I venture, but as of now it is small. It still lacks some of the materials, but I've been able to do for some people in villages. So I'm looking at myself having a bigger thing which can handle urban functions. Yes. I feel privileged to be part of it. I didn't have it in plan. I was invited by a friend, that is Kumboka Ronald. I've loved the program because it encourages one to pursue their dreams. So I've learned that I can follow suit to my dreams based on the teachings and the experiences I've had with other friends. So it's a very good program, and I encourage that next time you come back following the members on how far they have gone chasing after their dreams.